Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to save this style so you can apply it to other layers, other text, other objects, whatever you want. First, I'm going to go ahead and make a quick adjustment to my set in here. I'm going to bring the size up a little bit. Alright, that's a bit better. Okay, now to save this style, go ahead and slide this over here. We're going to go and click the New Style button here. And it brings you up with a dialog box. You can go ahead and give a name to your new style. So we're going to call it Gel Text. And we also want to leave Include Layer Effects and Include Blending Options checked, since we did apply effects and we did apply blending options. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK here. And now nothing really changes. If you go, we'll go ahead and click OK. And now what we're going to go ahead and do is add some different text. I'll go ahead and hide this layer. And go ahead and click our text tool. And add am. I don't know why, but I'm adding am. Okay, now let's go ahead and double click this checkbox here, or this area here, to go and bring up our layer styles. And if we go to the styles tab here at the top, you can see our new style here was added, gel text, at the end. So if we click gel text, we now have that applied to this new text, and we didn't have to do any work at all. So that's pretty helpful. But let's say we wanted to apply this effect to some smaller text. Doesn't seem like there'd be a problem. Well, let's go ahead and get out of this. We'll hide this layer, and we'll create a new text layer, and oops, we're going to make the text smaller here. We'll make it 11. Write the same word there. And we'll access our styles from this sidebar over here. And click our gel. But it really doesn't look right in this one. That's because it's still using the same dimensions as the first text layer we applied it to. That's what we set everything to. So what we need to do here is you make sure you have that layer selected. And then go to Layer, Layer Style. At the bottom here, Scale Effects. Now this lets you scale the effects, but not the layer itself. So we're at 100%, and since we have smaller text, we want to bring the size of the scale down. So let's go ahead and start the slider down. You can already see right there, 30 looks pretty good. It's got the, gives us a lot of the texture we had, and a lot of the highlights. We'll go ahead and leave it there for now. You can adjust it more if you want. But now another cool thing you can do is you can go back into your layer styles and say you want a little more transparent. So now you can start adjusting individual aspects of this style on this particular instance of text without modifying the original style. So you click OK. And there, now you can apply it to smaller text or smaller objects.